everyone, Gagajoy here, Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making scallops, lemony scallops with pasta. And is it good? And I've got a half a box of angel hair spaghetti, which would be 8 ounces. Make sure I got at least half. And I love my pasta, that's for sure. Just put those in there. And in my heating pan, we're going to be putting our scallops. I just patted it as dry as I possibly could. And this particular angel hair has to be cooked about 4 or 5 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes. When it starts cooking, I'm going to add my peas. These are just little sweet peas that goes to it. Bring it down. Sort of keep it, don't let them touch because they better to do batches and then touching. So that's what I'll do. But I can see they're getting a little bit crowded, and it just doesn't take hardly at all to cook scallops. I think they're 6 minutes, 3 on one side and 3 on the other. That aren't they good? Well, I did it after all. I did want to finish on time. Now I'm going to put this is my again, it's going to go about 2 minutes. So I'm going to put my peas in and just let it cook together. But these ones have to cook much longer. It's done. I did, you need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I think I've got it cooked. Okay, let me finish it up. Well, I think we're camera cut off, so I had to go ahead and do a couple steps. I put my spaghetti and my peas, my scallops. Now this is just the dressing that goes over it. It's lemon juice. It's a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon rind, and an 1/8 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. So let's see how it turns out. It sure smells good, I know that. Oh, there was a little bit of garlic in the sauce too. Now, let's put a few of the parsley, a few little onions around it. We're going to call it good. Let me get something to get a bite because I can't wait. After you smell it, you know you gotta eat it. Got a little bit of grease on me, I say. And my peas. I love peas. Peas are perfect. They were 3 minutes. And the pasta was 6 minutes. So, okay. Yep. Those are perfect too. So even though they didn't come out together, they sure go together. Oh, good. Very good. Give it a try. It may have time to, excuse me. That is ridiculous that you try to talk talking. I have food in my mouth. It's very good. Tastes so good and smells so good. Drop back in. Subscribe, ring that bell. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you real soon. Bye.